Hi, this is Cynthia Fuller, and I'm the founder of the Fuller Mind. I made this short video to explain how the stock market works. I'll be sharing with you the relationship and functions of persons involved in the stock market. First, meron tayong tinatawag na investors. Sila ang mga tao na gustong mag-invest sa stock market. Kung ikaw ay isang stock market investor, ang tawag sa iyo ay stockholder dahil ikaw ay magiging co-owner ng isang kumpanya. Okay? Uulitin ko, kapag ikaw ay naging investor or bumili ka ng shares of stock ng isang kumpanya, ang tawag sa iyo ay stockholder. Dahil ikaw ay isang co-owner ng kumpanya na binili mo. Malinaw po? Second, stockbrokers. Ang mga stockbrokers gaya ng BPI Trade, Call Financial, First Metrosec, Timson Trade, BDO Nomura, and many more, madami pa po yan. Stockbroker acts as the middleman. They will help the investors place their orders. Ibig sabihin, kung bibili ka o magbebenta ka ng shares, kailangan natin ng tulong ng mga stockbrokers. Okay po? Magiging middleman sila. Layman's term na pwede natin itawag sa kanila. Third is the Philippine Stock Exchange. It is a place where all publicly listed companies in the country are traded. Anong ibig sabihin ng publicly listed companies? Ang publicly listed companies gaya ng Ayala Land, BPI, Globe, SM Prime Holdings, SM Investments, Jollibee, Ayala Corporation, at marami pang iba. There are over 300 stocks already listed in the PSE. So sila, yung mga companies na nabanggit ko, at yung mga iba pang kumpanya na nakalist sa Philippine Stock Exchange, magiging co-owner tayo ng mga kumpanya na yan kung tayo ay bibili ng shares of stocks. Okay? Marami pang stocks yan. Ilan lang yan sa mga binanggit ko. Kung gusto po natin makita lahat yan, nakalista po iyan sa website ng Philippine Stock Exchange. Now, let me talk about the relationship and functions of persons involved in the stock market. First, we have the Philippine Stock Exchange and the publicly listed companies. A company like the Jollibee Foods Corporation, Ayala Land, Ayala Corporation, SM Investments, SM Prime Holdings, BPI Globe, and many more, they must pass the requirements and standards set by the Philippine Stock Exchange. So yung company, hindi sila allowed mag-offer ng shares sa public or sa investors unless it complied with the regulations of the Philippine Stock Exchange. Kaya itong mga companies, hindi sila basta-basta makakapag-offer ng shares sa public. Kailangan muna nilang dumaan, mag-submit ng mga requirements sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Second, the stockbrokers and the Philippine Stock Exchange. Si stockbrokers, ibang sabi ko kanina, stockbrokers act as the middleman. So si stockbroker will transact the investor's order to the Philippine Stock Exchange. Kaya sila yung tutulong sa atin kapag meron tayong stocks na gustong bilhin. Kasi sila yung nakakonect sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Wala tayong direct contact sa Philippine Stock Exchange. But the brokers have. Investors cannot transact directly with the Philippine Stock Exchange. Itong mga stockbrokers na to, nag-acquired ng license yan from the Security and Exchange Commission or SEC to help investors process the buying and selling of. Third, the investors and stockbrokers. Investors choose a stock to buy and sell that is listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Yun nga po, investors need to get in touch with stockbrokers to help us place our orders. So lahat ng buy and sell transactions natin, si stockbrokers ang tutulong sa atin. The buy and sell transactions are being charged a small amount as a payment to the brokers for helping investors to do the job. So parang commission. Siyempre, tinulungan nila tayo, we have to pay for them. And small amount lang naman yung payment natin sa kanila. This is the complete illustration to summarize the relationship and functions of persons involved in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Just a review. First, we have the Philippine Stock Exchange and the publicly listed companies. So, si company magsisend na requirements sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Okay? Second, the stockbrokers and the Philippine Stock Exchange. So, si stockbrokers, sila yung magtatransact ng mga buy and sell orders ng mga investors. Third, the investors and the stockbrokers. Si investors, bibili ng shares of stocks or magbibenta ng shares of stocks with the help of the stockbrokers. Ganun lang po kasimple ang relationship and functions of the persons involved in the Philippine Stock Exchange. I hope I was able to help you understand how the stock market works. And if you want to get more knowledge about the stock market, and kung sakaling wala pa kayong kopya ng ebook na to, The Fuller Method, Learn to Grow Your Money Exponentially, this ebook was made for aspiring stock market investors or beginners and for those who have little knowledge about the stock market. It's newbie-friendly, and it was written using easy-to-understand language. So you just type this link on your browser. It's https://thefullermind.com/free-ebook. After which, just encode your name and email address, and then magiging subscriber ka na ng The Fuller Mind, and you can now get a copy of this free ebook, and you can learn a lot from The Fuller Mind. Also, if you want to learn more from me and from The Fuller Mind, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button like this one, and click the notification bell like this. That's all. Salamat.